Hey everyone, welcome back to the Honest Mechanic channel. I'm Brian, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: bad brake pad symptoms. Brake pads, the unsung heroes of your vehicle, are vital for your safety, acting as the friction material that slows your car down when you hit the brakes. But like any hero, they can wear out over time. Why and how? Well, stay tuned as we explore the role, why they wear out, their lifespan, and the telltale signs that it's time for a replacement. So let's get rolling. Factors like driving habits, environment, and brake pad quality affect their lifespan. Picture this. You're driving in heavy city traffic with lots of stop and go. This type of driving is tough on your brake pads as it requires more frequent braking. Or maybe you're a bit of a speed demon who enjoys sudden, hard stops. This aggressive braking style generates more heat, accelerating pad wear. Don't forget environmental factors too. Harsh conditions like dirt roads, extreme temperatures, and even road salt can speed up the wear and tear. On average, brake pads last between 30,000 to 70,000 miles, but this can vary. The lifespan of your brake pads is influenced by numerous factors. Your driving habits, the type of roads you traverse, and the quality of the brake pads themselves can all play a part in how quickly they wear down. Even the best brake pads can't escape the laws of friction and wear. And that's where your vehicle's manual comes into play. It's always best to check your vehicle's manual for specific recommendations. Let's discuss the telltale signs that it's time for a brake pad replacement. Starting with unusual noises. If you're hearing a squealing or grinding sound every time you apply the brakes, that's your car telling you something's up. It's often the first sign of worn pads. Next is reduced responsiveness. Does your brake pedal sink a little more than usual when you step on it? This could indicate a leak in your brake system. It's a sign not to be ignored. Third, we have pulling. If your car veers to one side when you're braking, it could be down to uneven pad wear or contaminated brake fluid. Fourth, vibration. A shaky brake pedal, especially noticeable at high speeds, often points to warped rotors, another symptom of bad brake pads. Then there's grinding or growling. This is a serious one, folks. If you hear a metallic growl when you brake, that's likely metal-on-metal action, indicating your pads are completely worn. Modern cars are smart, and they help us look out for bad brake pads too. If your brake light illuminates, it's time for a checkup. And speaking of checks, you can do a visual one yourself. Through the wheel spokes, you can see the brake pad. If it's less than 1/4 of an inch thick, it's time for a replacement. Finally, we have longer stopping distances. If you're having to start braking earlier than usual, this is a serious sign your brakes need attention. Remember, folks, your brakes are your best buddies on the road. Don't take these symptoms lightly. Regular checks and timely replacements are key to your safety. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time to visit your mechanic. The importance of maintaining your brake pads cannot be overstated. They are your first line of defense on the road, and ignoring their wear and tear can compromise your safety. Don't wait until it's too late. That's all for today on Honest Mechanic. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep those brakes in check. Subscribe.